Hi, welcome back. If you're a returning viewer, welcome to the channel. If you're new around here, my name is Alex and I'm a private pilot. I've got a new video for you guys today, something I've never done on the channel before. I recently reached out to Kore Aviation on Instagram and they were nice enough to send me one of their entry-level headsets to give a try. I've been using their Kore Aviation Ka1 headset since my very first flight lesson. It's one of their upgraded headsets that you can actually get on Amazon for $189 right now. It's normally $250. It's discounted down to $210 and they're running an additional 10% off promotion. So you can get an upgraded headset, an entry-level headset for only $189 right now, which is awesome and something you can definitely try out if you're just starting your flight training. I've got the Ka1 headset right here. It's got the gel ear cups. Those are super comfortable and have the noise canceling features. It's got a adjustable and padded headrest on the top, so you can adjust that to whatever position you need and it fits really nicely on top of your head. It's got the noise canceling microphone and that's adjustable so you can get it just in the right position on your mouth. It's got a long cable. It's got the mono and stereo switch so you can use that feature if you need it. And then it also comes with a carrying case to keep everything safe and in one spot. So it's just a perfect, upgraded headset from their entry-level model that I'm going to unbox here in a second, and perfect if you're just starting out your flight training. Today I want to do an unboxing of Kore Aviation's most affordable headset, the P1 Aviation headset. So like I said, they were nice enough to send me a headset to feature on my channel and use in the plane. I'm super excited to give it a try. So let's get into it here and open up the box and see what we've got. All right, so let's get into it. Let's open up the box and see what we've got. Got the box here from Amazon. Pull this out, get the big box out of the way. So we've got the really nice boxing here. You can see it's the P1 headset. And looks like it just slides open here. Let's do that. And I can read some of the features here for you guys. So it's got really nice material. It's got an electric noise canceling microphone. It's got some ultralight speakers. So those are really great to use. It comes with a bag. A carrying case, so that's really nice. Again, kind of like the Ka1 headset that I have. It'll keep that, keep everything nice and safe and protected in case you were to drop it or anything like that. All right, so here's the box. Let's open this up. This packaging is really nice. I will commend Kore Aviation on that. It's a really nice box and the way everything's packaged up. Looks like it comes with a sticker and a little thank you. Kind of gives you some warranty information, some care instructions, and how to adjust the microphone and the head and the headrest on the top and things like that. So that's really nice. And then here is the carrying case. Again, super nice that they provide this in there. You can easily carry this. It's got a little strap on top, so easy to carry with your flight bag and things like that. All right, so I've got the bag. Let's unzip it and get into the headset itself. Here we go. Looks like right on the top, it's got a extra microphone cover for you if you ever need to replace that. And then let's get into it here. Here we go. So right out of the bag, it feels really nice. The ear cushions feel really nice. Those will be super comfortable. The headset or the headrest on the top is very similar to the Ka1, it feels like. So that's going to be super comfortable. It's adjustable, so this slides. And then it's got the volume control on the ear, which is really nice. And then it's got the microphone that is adjustable. That's kind of cover right now, but you can pull that off. And then that'll sit really nicely in front of your mouth. Let's try it on. Oh yeah, this will be really nice. I'm excited to give this a try. So I want to talk to some of the features of the P1 headset real quick, things that I haven't really mentioned but are featured on the Kore Aviation website. So it's got the advanced communication technology. So it's got the noise canceling electret microphone. which will be really nice. It'll be really easy for everyone to hear you when you're speaking in the plane and there's a lot of other noises going on. It's got ultimate comfort, so it's got the quality foam ear seals, it's got an extra thick head pad, and then an adjustable headband. So it'll, fit all shapes and sizes. You can get it to fit exactly how you need it to. It's got excellent sound quality. It's got the built-in volume control on the one ear, so you can adjust the volume however you need to. It's got really nice speakers and then an aux input for your phone or tablet, which is audio only, but you have that option if you need it. So it's got a lot of really great features. Again, you can get this. It's $135 on the Amazon website right now, and they're offering that 10% promotion. So you can get it even cheaper than that, which is awesome for a entry-level headset. Thank you one more time to Kore Aviation for sending over the P1 headset. I'm super excited to give this a try, and I'm super excited to have it in the plane available for my passengers to use. It makes me super confident knowing that they're going to have a great headset to use and a comfortable headset. They'll be able to hear me, hear air traffic control, have that awareness, and be comfortable while they're doing it. So thank you very much to Kore Aviation for sending this over. I will put Amazon links down in the description below to both the KA1 headset I've been using since my very first flight lesson, as well as this P1 headset. They're both super affordable, so if you're looking for something and you're just starting your flight training, be sure to click those links in the description below and give these a try. Be sure to like this video. It really helps me out, helps grow the channel. So like the video, leave a comment down below if you have any headset questions or want to chat about anything aviation related, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're new around here, please subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel as much as possible, and it helps me out. So please subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video. See you guys.